Hello and welcome back to the channel. If you're new here, I'm Maru, content creator, and here on the channel I share all things home decor, beauty, fashion, and so much more. In the spirit of Christmas and the holiday season, honey, we are outside today for a holiday market at Atlantic Station in Atlanta, Georgia. And my cousin, I'm so excited to announce this, my cousin, the owner of Caribbean Sentiments, a stationery company focusing on Caribbean nostalgic cards and just all these cute gift ideas. So she is here from New York and she is selling her Caribbean Sentiments cards and stationery at this holiday market in Atlantic Station. So we're about to go and put on our employee apron, whatever you want to call it, clock in and help our cousin work. And I am taking y'all along with us today. So let's go ahead and get out the car and go to the market. Hey, hey. I see her, y'all. I think I see her, y'all. Oh my gosh. I'm out of breath and out of shape. Okay, H&M. Oh, I see her, y'all. I see her. I found her, y'all. I found her. I found her, y'all. There she is. Caribbean Sentiments, y'all. Not me putting the y'all at the end of the Caribbean Sentiments. Oh my gosh. Oh no, let me go behind you. Go ahead. Cute little family. Oh, Santa, you are real. Real. Oh my God. Hi. The baby wave. We're here with the owner of Caribbean Sentiments. Hi. Everybody say hi, Cara. Everything's going well. It's getting a little bit darker now and it's cold, so we're about to go ahead and like warm up. We have some what's the thing called, the hand warmers, and then she has gloves, so we're gonna kind of like switch around. But long story short, I wanted to show y'all the table one more time and let you know if you're in Atlanta, she'll be here tomorrow on Sunday from 12 to 6, so come on down. All right, bye. So cute. Okay, we are back home and we have this package from Target that we need to open up. So we're gonna go ahead and do that real quickly before I sit down and watch Christmas movies and then get sleepy. I'm trying to think, what is this? I'm a part of the creator program. Oh Lord. Okay, I thought something broke. Part of the creator program, but I need to do better. So I'll be sure to link these in the Target app, influencer app. Okay, so let's start with the home items. First things first. Oh my gosh, I love this so much. Where's the rest of it though? Okay, let's do the one that we... Okay, so this is a gold oval shaped joy box, like a little trinket box. I love it so much. I think I included this in one of my fall Target shop with me or new fall collection hauls, but I just love this so much. It's an oval shape one. There's two shapes. There was actually a tray too, but these are just the boxes. Not a shiny gold, nice and brass, like vintage looking. So I think I'm probably gonna keep this in the living room. If not the living room, the bedroom, to put like jewelry in, but more than likely the living room. So that's the first thing. The next one is another joy box, but this one is rectangular shaped joy box, and I'll be sure to link them in the description box down below. I just love how like vintage and luxe they look. Not cheap, very much luxury, old keepsake type of, you know, with the fluted edges. I just love it so much. And they're small. It's not like it's gonna take up a whole bunch of space on a nightstand or a dressing table. So I'll be sure to link this one down below too. And then I need to sit down. Let me sit down really good for this. Okay, next up is, ooh, thank you Target. The, oh my gosh, yes, the Annette. Annette. That's my cousin's name. I have a cousin named Annette. Americans, well, you know, I'm from the U.S. Virgin Islands. It's American, but the Caribbeans will say Annette. But in the States, they'll say Annette. So this is the Annette sling back. Oh my gosh. Very much dupe of the luxury brand we all know about. Sex and the City put me on to a lot of luxury brands I knew nothing about. Shout out to Carrie Bradshaw. Okay, so this is the Annette. The Annette slingback. Girl, my feet are in the view. Check those things. It's supposed to be the shoe, not my feet. And it's pedicure time, honey. So this is the Annette slingback in a 9. I wear 9. I wear 9 in shoes, but like anything that's a little heel or like a high heel, I do a 9.5 just so I can have wiggle room, because no bunions over here. Okay, so that's black. So we shall put those right there. Okay. All right. And then the next one is same shoe, different color. Bear with me. You probably could see it already. I'm sure you can't. Oh, there it is. Oh, yes. It's the Annette in red. Ooh, child. Same 9.5. It's giving, hang me on the Christmas tree right here. I'm an ornament. But it's going to go underneath the tree. So, thank you, Target. Okay. All right. So, that's that. That's it for our haul. Wanted to get that done before I got comfortable. Actually, you know what? The holiday market was so much fun, and took y'all to Target with me for my little coffee run. It wasn't a shopping run. And then we came home and did this Target haul. And because today was all about the holiday market and Caribbean sentiments, shout out to my cousin Cara, I wanted to show you some of the cards that I got from her. I have it like every other, but it's just 2 styles, the 2 favorites. Warm wishes. I just love how it is like Christmas on the inside, Caribbean outside. It looks like a living room in the Virgin Islands, right? all that tropical foliage outside, but inside is dressed down, baby, okay? For the Christmas season. And then this one says season's greetings. It's like a, you know, winter branch, but tropical foliage around, and then seashell ornaments. I love the 2 of these so much. So I'll be sending these to my girlfriends, okay? All of my good Judies that I get to talk to often, but they live in different cities, will be definitely getting cards from me. And then I have like 2 or 3, actually 4 people here that are good friends of mine that, you know, like family, I'm gonna see family, but friends that I don't get to see or probably won't see for the holidays are definitely getting Christmas cards. So that's that. And then there's this notebook, this journal notebook that I love so much. And I want to tell you, she's the queen of stationery. I got my pencils. It's about to be a journaling year in 2025, okay? So I'm so excited about that. I'm about to pop these under the tree because it's a gift, baby. It's a gift. Oh, and then speaking of gifts, she was so gracious, so sweet to me. Look. This is a tropical print. It's a journal that looks like this print, but these are the thank you cards. And then she had given these to me before. These are actually open because I've been using them for my FLS creative design clients. So these are going under the tree as well. And the joy boxes are going on display in the living room. I'm probably going to include them in a home updates video coming up this week. Showing you how I style them and where I put them exactly. So stay tuned for that. And last but not least, my cousin is so dope. I admired some nails that she had on and she bought me a pack. Yes! I love her. Thank you, boo. Okay. So I am feeling so festive. I'm feeling so good. I know I'm probably going to fall asleep in a couple minutes because I took my shower and I'm about to have this hot chocolate and watch a Christmas movie. But since we were at the holiday market, let's go ahead and bake some cookies. Okay, I'm feeling like some cookies. Just a simple sugar cookie, nothing too fancy. Let's go ahead and do that. Not too bad. Not too shabby. See you in the next video. Bye.